Welcome to Penny Productions.
Dreamer Cats TV.
I bought this cute model of the iconic Doctor Who TARDIS. Would a show that's based on a time machine even exist if H.G. Wells hadn't written his seminal book, The Time Machine? Funnily enough, H.G. Wells lived just up the road from me, along the southeast coast of England, and if you went back more than a century, you might find him wandering around the streets looking for inspiration for his latest book. Here's a cool 3D optical illusion toy composed of two parabolic mirrors concentrating the sun's rays so much that my finger started to get hot, perhaps explaining why the basic concept is used in solar cooking. We place the mirror with the opening on top, and then it looks like the TARDIS is actually poking out. But if you line up the back and the front of the opening, you can see that's not the case. And if you hover the camera over it, it also breaks the spell. How about a doll's house miniature cup of tea? Obviously the clarity of the image depends on the quality of the mirrors, and being a cheapskate, I got the most inexpensive one. Anyone for fish and chips? The Mirage diet version, which reminds me of what I call the Alice in Wonderland or Doll's House diet. Food plates are getting bigger and bigger these days, and not the only thing, encouraging us to eat more. So let's go in the opposite direction. And apparently it's backed up by science. Wow! I've stumbled across a treasure trove of 1980s cassette tapes, one of which features my younger voice. It's like going back in time. Was that my voice going forward in time?
About trees being chopped down, because when the trees are chopped down there will not be any oxygen, and when there's no oxygen there won't be any of us.
But don't worry, you've still got enough oxygen to click on these other videos after you've hopefully rated and commented on this one. And you can always jump back in your time machine.